For your fish loin, heat your pan up, make sure your pan's hot, and then go in with some extra virgin olive oil. And then you're going to bring the oil up to heat as well. So let the oil get hot. To test if your oil's up to temperature, just put a drop of water in. It's not hot enough yet. When it really sizzles, then you know that your oil's up to temperature. With your oil hot enough, lay your cod loin away from you so it doesn't spit on you. And once you put them in the pan, don't be messing with them, tossing and turning. Just leave them there. Cod loin this size, you're going to do about 2.5 minutes each side. Obviously if you've got a thicker cod loin, then do it for 3 minutes each side. Once it's finished, you're going to take it out of the pan and let it rest for a few minutes as well, just to make sure that the centre's cooked. Once it's had 2 minutes on one side, time to carefully flip them over, and the same again on the other side. Another 2 minutes, and you should have perfectly cooked cod. Once your cod has rested for a couple of minutes, it's then time to go on with your sauce.